yo tengo pastillas para el dolor de cabeza. Y para los ojos.
God bless you, bebé. Gorgeous. Beautiful. My little angel. Oh, esa muñeca preciosa. Esa es una bella. She wants Didi, right? Grandpa is taking pictures. Huh? Today is 10 days. Yes? But she wants mommy now. Look at her. Oops. Enough, please. Grandma is hungry. Okay. Bye. We're gonna bye. For all the families and friends. Oh no. Bye. See you later. Grandpa, enough. Cut the pictures, please. Grandpa, what? Are you going to make a movie for me, Dad? For my dad? Hmm? Oops. Yeah. No more pictures, say. Isabella, no more pictures. Dígale, Grandpa, no more pictures. Enough. Oops. She's hungry. Mommy. Oops. Mommy, I need you. Oops. Oops. Bye.